Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am doing an Amazon haul. And I'm so excited to do this because I've never done an Amazon haul before, but my friend got me an Amazon gift card. By the way, it is not sponsored by Amazon. It was just a gift card that was given to me by a friend. And basically, I finally got to using the gift card, and so I got a whole bunch of stuff. And so let's get into it. I'm super excited. So yeah. Okay, so let's get right into it. I have a few things here that are actually PR packages. So you guys know PR, stuff that are sent from companies, from a company to me, and for me to do a review on and to post on my social media or make a video about it. Obviously this is not the official video, this is just unboxing of the things that I got. But I'm gonna start with what I got from Amazon first, and we're gonna go from there. I'm so excited. So this first package, I ordered some, like, it's a mix of different things. You guys might be a little bit confused on some of the things I ordered. This feels like something. Either way, so basically I'm traveling in a few days, and I decided to get some stuff for my travel. Just some random stuff. Like, I had the gift card, and also I was feeling like doing a little bit of retail therapy, so I got a few random things. So you guys will see stuff for travel, and then, like, yeah, you'll see. Basically, I got travel tags, and I am so excited to see how it turns out, or how it looks like. So these are travel tags. So I got two. Okay, so it's less pink than I thought, but I like that because I didn't want it to be too bright of a pink. But the gold is cute. Okay, this is cute. No, this is nice. So I got two of these. So I'll just show you guys. Yeah, so they're actually called luggage tags, not travel tags, luggage tags. And so basically what you would do is just attach it to your luggage so that you have your information on there. So I would have my name in the back. Okay, so the next package that I will open is also from Amazon. It doesn't say Amazon on here. It has my address on this, but I can feel it out and probably have a guess on what it is. Okay, so like I said, I got some travel stuff, just to, like, I get excited when I travel and I just spend. Yeah, so let me, yay! Okay, this is so cute. Okay, so this is basically a passport holder. Yeah, in the rose gold color. This is more of a pink. Let me actually see if it matches the, because that's what I wanted. I wanted it to match. Yeah, that's a good match. So yeah, this is a passport holder. So cute. Let me open it up. And so basically, you can put your passport in here, and you can also put your boarding ticket in here. And I like putting it in here because sometimes I don't like holding my passport on its own for the rest of the time. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and it comes with a little pen as well. This is, like, very cute. I really like that. Yeah, so you would put your passport here. Wow, this is nice. Okay, let me show you guys. The outside looks like this, just like a Canadian passport, as you guys know. Like, I'm Canadian, obviously. And then inside looks like this, like that. I think that's really cute, with an extra pen. And obviously my boarding ticket would go in here. And then, like, SIM card holder if I wanted to do that, and, like, extra stuff. A pen, because, you know, in Canada, whenever you come back, you have to sign some paper whenever you come back into the country. And then where the passport would go, and the strap of it. Oh my god, I love it. I think it's so cute. Like, I think it's, like, the cutest thing ever. I like the color a lot. I think it's just super, super cute. Okay, so the other thing that I got from Amazon is this. I can already feel it. I think I know what this one is. This one is probably for my phone. It feels like the one for my phone. Yep. So this is a tempered glass screen protector kit. And this is for my phone because, as you guys know, my phone is like cracked at the top. It's like cracked and stuff. So I kind of wanted to find a way to hide it. Let me just show you guys how it looks like. Okay, so these two are PR packages, and I will get to those ones last. I'm so excited about this big box right here. How big it is, just to show you guys like the size. So I ordered this on Amazon, and it was for a decent price. So I'm really excited to see how it looks like, because obviously, you know, things look different from online and then when you purchase it and stuff like that. So I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out, because I was scared that it would be a bit too big. Ooh, okay, wow. Okay. Ooh, ooh. This is okay. This is actually nice. I'm very okay. This is good. The size is like literally perfect, because I didn't want anything too big. Let me just push that box on the side. Not much space here. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna open the plastic. Just rip it open, of course. So this is in the black, and this is the Amazon Basics luggage. Oh, nice and shiny. Oh. Okay. I like it, guys. So far, I really like it. This is nice. What do you guys think? Like, it's a great size. It's really, really great size. And it just says Amazon Basics. You know, this feels pretty sturdy, because that's always important. Let me show you guys. It's usually very important to check this and see if it's like sturdy or not. So it feels pretty sturdy. I like it. Ooh, fancy schmeshy. Well, it's very simple. I'm just kidding about the fancy schmeshy thing. I like this. I like the different compartments, and obviously here you put your shoes. Oh, I really like this. A lot of space. All for my shoes and stuff. That's where my shoes would go. And I love that it has like, oh, I love how it has like so much zippers, and like, yeah, this is totally exactly what I needed. I'm very happy. Okay, so I will start with this one right here. This is from Braille Communications, and they're a PR company, and I already know what it is, but I'll keep the surprise for you guys. So I'm just gonna open the little boy. It was so cute. I didn't want to ruin it, but okay, awesome. Okay, let me use my scissors. Have to. Oh my gosh. Oh, I already know what's in here, obviously, but I'm falling in love with, wow, the packaging of this. So they are so sweet. Thank you so much, Braille Communications. This is awesome. So basically, this is the rainbow titanium curling one, and I'm so excited. It gives silky smooth waves, and it's anti-frizz protection. Love it. Oh my god, it's so cute. So this is how it looks like. And it's by Conair, and I think that's awesome. This is really nice. Okay, last but not least. Whew. Okay, so this is another PR package, and it is from Habit Nest. This I won't go into I won't go into detail with this one, because I have a video that will be going up for it. So cute. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm not gonna Oh, okay. So basically, they're just a quick note. It's a meditation psychic journal, and the color inside here is ocean blue. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do this and not really show you guys because I want you guys to tune in for the video for it. But I'm very excited about this one, and I can't wait to see how it looks like, and I can't wait to use it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. I had a whole bunch of fun. It's basically like Christmas for me. So I am definitely addicted to shopping, and yeah. So thank you so much, Humor Squad, for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. So bye.